Hi, welcome back. Today we are exploring a quieter but incredibly powerful technique for requirement gathering, which is document analysis. As business analysts, we don't always need to reinvent the wheel. Sometimes the answers are already written down. Document analysis allows us to uncover valuable insights from existing materials, whether it's process diagrams, business plans, or user manuals. So let's dive into what document analysis is, when to use it, and how to make the most of it. First, what exactly is document analysis? In simple terms, it's the process of reviewing existing documentation to gather information about a business process, system, or problem. For example, if you are working on a project to improve a company's order management system, you might review the current process workflows, the system user guides, and customer service logs. By analyzing these documents, you can identify the gaps, inefficiencies, or opportunities for improvement without needing to ask shareholders directly for every detail. So, when should you use document analysis? Number one, early in the project. It's a great starting point to understand the current state before engaging the stakeholders. Number two, when the data is already available. If historical data, reports, or policies exist, document analysis saves time and effort. Number three, to validate other findings. Use it to cross-check information gathered through interviews or workshops. For instance, if a stakeholder says our team handles 500 orders a month, you can validate that by reviewing sales reports or performance dashboard. Now let's walk through the steps to conduct effective document analysis. Number one, identify relevant documents. Start by listing the types of documents that might provide insights. Examples included process maps, organizational charts, system logs, audit reports, etc. Number two, obtain access. Collaborate with the stakeholders or IT teams to gain access to these documents. Be mindful of confidentiality and request permission where needed. Number three, analyze systematically. Break it down. Focus on sections that are most relevant to the project. Look for patterns, inconsistencies, or areas of concern. Number four, extract requirements. For example, if a workflow diagram shows multiple manual steps, one requirement might be to automate those steps. Number five, validate the findings. Share your observations with stakeholders to ensure you are interpreting the information correctly. Document analysis doesn't have to be overwhelming, especially with the right tools. Here are a few you can use. You can use Microsoft Word or Excel, which is great for organizing notes and summarizing the findings. You can also use document management system tools like SharePoint or Confluence to help you access and manage the documents efficiently. Also, process mining tools. If you are analyzing workflows, tools like Celonis can help visualize processes from system data. The key is to stay organized and methodical in your approach. Let me share a quick example. I once worked on a project to streamline employee onboarding. To understand the current process, I analyzed the company's HR policy documents, onboarding checklists, and training manuals. Here's what I found. The onboarding checklist was missing a step for setting up email accounts, leading to delays. Training manuals were outdated, causing confusion for new hires. From this analysis, we developed a clear, updated requirements for an onboarding system that addressed those gaps. Document analysis is incredibly useful, but it's not without challenges. Here are some common hurdles and how to handle those. Number one, outdated or incomplete documents. Always check the date and context of the document. If something seems off, ask the stakeholders for clarification. Number 2, overwhelming volume of data. Focus on the most relevant documents first. Use a checklist to stay on track. Number 3, misinterpretation of information. Don't assume. Validate your findings with the stakeholders to ensure that you have understood correctly. So, there you have it. Requirement gathering through document analysis. This technique allows you to uncover valuable insights with minimal disruption to stakeholders. By systematically analyzing existing materials, you can identify gaps, validate assumptions, and extract actionable requirements. In our next session, we will explore another powerful technique, requirement gathering through interviews. Until then, thanks for watching and happy analyzing.